Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your PowerPoint slides pop using the Shape Fill and Shape Outline features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize any shape to make your presentations look professional and eye-catching. Let's dive in. Preparing your slide first, open PowerPoint and either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Go to the slide where you want to add or customize a shape. Selecting your shape. Click on the shape you want to work with. It could be a rectangle, circle, arrow, or any other shape. Make sure the shape is selected so PowerPoint knows which one you want to edit. Accessing the formatting tools. Next, look at the top of your screen and click on the Shape Format tab. This tab gives you all the tools you need to customize your shapes quickly and easily. Applying Shape Fill. Let's start with Shape Fill. On the left side of the toolbar, you'll see the Shape Fill button. Click it and you'll see options like theme colors, standard colors, and even custom colors. Choose a color that matches your slide's style. You can also experiment with gradients or textures if you want to get creative. Once you select a color, the shape immediately updates to show your choice. Applying Shape Outline. Now, let's add a border with Shape Outline. Right next to Shape Fill, click the Shape Outline button. Here you can pick a color for the border. You can even adjust the thickness of the outline or choose a dashed style to make your shape stand out even more. Play around until it fits your slide's look perfectly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform the look of your shapes using Shape Fill and Shape Outline in PowerPoint. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips, and leave a comment letting me know which feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.